everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making these really easy, really simple flour tortilla pizzas. I'm starting off with a buffalo chicken pizza. This one is my favorite. So I just took a bowl and I took some pre-cooked, pre-shredded chicken, and I put it into a bowl, drizzled some buffalo sauce on top, and mixed it with my spoon and set that aside. Then I took a pizza pan and just lightly sprayed it with some non-stick spray. I put a flour tortilla on top of that, and then I drizzled some more buffalo sauce on that tortilla, spread it out with the back of my spoon, and then topped it with mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. That is my favorite cheese combination, but you can use whatever kind of cheese you have or want or like. That's just my favorite combination, and you can put as much or as little cheese as you want. Once you have all your cheese, you just spread out the chicken. I used my hands. I gave up on that spoon. It was so much easier to just spread the chicken out with my hands. And once you have all your chicken and everything spread out, you are going to put that into your oven for about 12 to 15 minutes at 375 degrees. Once it comes out, just put it onto a cutting board, take a big knife and cut it into 4 pieces, plate it up and enjoy. This is really great on its own, but you can drizzle some more buffalo sauce on top or drizzle on some ranch. It's a great combination as well. It was delicious. The second pizza I am making is just a basic pepperoni pizza, and you start off the same. You just grab a pan, lightly spray it, put your flour tortilla on top, and then I used a really clean tomato sauce that came from a can. You can also use like spaghetti sauce or whatever kind of tomato sauce you like. Just put that onto the pizza and spread it out with the back of the spoon, and then I drizzled on some mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese again favorite combination, and then you spread out your pepperoni slices nice and evenly, and then you put that into the oven for the same amount of time, so 12 to 15 minutes at 375 degrees. And once it comes out, same thing, cut it up into 4 pieces, plate it and enjoy. These pizzas were delicious. We love them, and I hope you guys try out these pizzas on your own. Make sure you like and comment anything else you would like to see, and don't forget to subscribe.